Hello my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. So we're going to show you one more day with the boom and the crash robot. And look here, the boom and the crash robot working on my account. And look here, the $37 is the profit. Okay, and let's see the last week with deposit of $100 made the profit $340. If you want to buy $40 is price is 1 week offer. After this 1 week price will shift back to $70 one account license. Remember, if you are interested, my contact detail in description. Remember, my contact details in description. If you are not interested, simply don't reply me for hello hi. I will not reply you. Okay, and don't comment on YouTube. I am interested. I am interested. Sorry, I will never reply. Only those interested in buys $40 the one account license. Simply check the description link of contact and send me text, Skrill, PayPal, Nettler, Bitcoin. We accept the payment methods. Okay. Thanks. I hope you all understand. And if interested, feel free to contact me.